On my latest trip through Detroit, I decided to make a stop at the Cadillac Stamping Plant, where I got to check out the infamous card room. And I almost got killed by a pipe that fell from the ceiling. A big pipe. Whew. This building is just massive. Just absolutely massive. I would love to be able to climb up in a corner and get a picture. So guys, we got our light out. Should be a lot better now. Let's go upstairs. Let's get to the top. Something's gonna set here in a little while. We want to. So unlike the body plant we were just at, where there wasn't anything left, there's a lot of stuff here. Lots of burnt material. Probably people trying to stay warm. Look at how big this place is. This isn't even half of it. It's a lot to cover in an hour before the sun sets. And this looks like a sauna. Actually, I think it's a cooler, freezer. The Connor Stamping Plant. People at home, at work. Employee Activity Center. It was a UAW plant. Nothing on that one. Guys, we're still looking for the roof. Let's keep going. That's quite the view. Those stairs are garbage. Oh yeah, the whole thing is loose. You can see this fan spinning. You can see. Oh, don't fall in this. Oh, it's wet. It's deep. It's wet. It's deep. Oh, my feet are soaked. Oh, and that nasty water, too. There's nothing clean about that water. Can I get on this roof? So sorry there's no drone footage at this location. It is far too close to the airport. There are planes flying directly over this place. Elevator shaft. And there's a hole. Oh, thank God. Crane authorized personnel only. So what's with all the hockey cards? Stacks and stacks of hockey cards. Boulder Dash. Looks like this was used as a card factory or something for a while. Thousands and thousands of cards. Look at all these hockey cards. Oh my gosh. Look at all of them. This is absolutely insane. So, some asshole cut or tried to burn these. Which is a sin. Whole sheets. I would think the sheets would be worth money. People would get a kick out of the fact that it's not cut yet. All 1991 and 1992. Western Hockey League. An uncountable amount of cards. And that doesn't even count what people have probably taken out of here. I had heard rumors of the card room, but I couldn't necessarily remember where it was. It looks like somebody pulled up all the wood blocks that were on the floor. Probably because they bubbled up. It's getting past photography time.
You've been coming here for almost 2 years now.
Yeah, it's been. I've heard about it for a long time, but I was... Jesus Christ.
That was just a random pipe.
See that pipe right there?
Yeah?
I bet there was one hanging
Over there. And it just fell.
So I'm gonna keep this video short. I'm gonna get out of here. I'm glad that pipe did not fall on my head. And as always, be safe out there. Hope you guys like the new light. Big upgrade.